Do you feel like quitting your job 10 times a day? Do you feel your colleague got ahead by flattering the boss and you are just stuck? Well, FutureTayari will teach you how to get ahead in life, and that too without becoming anybody's yes man. Learn how to have great first impressions, a charismatic personality, hack conversations, become a polished person by knowing immaculate etiquette and grooming, emotional intelligence, and self-control to deal with problems at work. It's time to take charge of your future and change the way you think, you act, and behave. Transform yourself from head to toe, because even if you are not changing, the world is, and that too at a frightening pace. Remember, the ability to handle tricky situations at work gracefully is a valuable skill that not only ensures your personal growth, but also peace of mind. Sign up for Mission Transformation today, a 360-degree transformation program that will help you level up your communication, personality, and social skills.